everyone, welcome to Deer's podcast. And today we have the super amazing guest from the India and the Germany both, and he's from the India, and he's the CEO of the bitsCrunch, and he has the 3x TEDx speaker and first Indian to be invited for the TEDx talk in the Germany, and he has been awarded as the top 40 data scientists under the 40 in the India, and he has been nominated as the 40 plus inspiring data scientist to be followed in the 2020 by the Artificial Intelligence and Time Journal from the United States, and he is one of the motivational speaker as well, and and the title "The Little Thing That Makes a Difference" is the title that he has spoken in the TEDx. So yeah, this is just the gist of the everything, and now I would like him to introduce by himself. So, sir.
Thanks a lot for such an amazing introduction. So yeah, I mean, still learning, still early days as an entrepreneur. So thanks for having me as a guest in this podcast. So yeah, looking forward to your amazing questions.
So let's begin from your background. Where are you from, and how your entrepreneurial, or let's say how your journey began?
So yeah, myself, Vijay. I come from Tamil Nadu. I come from a place called Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu in India. So yeah, having been brought up in such a small city, I always wanted to go big. So that is the reason why I went on to do a master's in Germany. After that, I worked for companies like Volkswagen and Siemens before founding bitsCrunch. So bitsCrunch is my startup. It's like a baby, and we are into NFT forensics. But yeah, thanks.
Elaborate more about the bitsCrunch. What is the bitsCrunch?
bitsCrunch. So it means crunching. Yeah, crunching each and every bits of data that is available on blockchain. So that's the name.
More about the bitsCrunch.
Yeah, so bitsCrunch, the name says everything. Crunching bits and pieces of data that is on blockchain. So we are a blockchain analytics company that is also building AI products to stop malicious activities on NFT marketplaces. So that is what we call bitsCrunch as a brand.
If somebody who are the like newbie to the NFT ecosystem and doesn't know about the bitsCrunch, what is those? So for them, can you give some example that in simple words so that they could understand the bitsCrunch? What is those?
Mhm. So NFTs are nothing but digital assets. So let's take gold, land, or car, house. So like physical assets, we are moving towards a world of digital assets, right? So we want to secure that ecosystem. So we want people to play fair in that ecosystem, and that is why we are crunching those data behind it and finding insights.
So there is a interrelation between the AI and the NFT.
Yes, so we blend blockchain technology. So NFT sits on top of blockchain, and we blend AI and blockchain to bring out the products.
What are the products that are impacting?
Mm-hmm. So we have products like Scour that combats against wash trading in NFT marketplaces. We have a product called Liquify that gives fair price estimation for NFTs. And then we have a product called Unleash NFTs, which is a B2C product that an end user can use. So yes.
This is for the for the normal people or for the companies?
So we have products for both B2B and B2C. So we have it for both the sectors, but right now, since NFTs are a niche topic, uh, it, it, it it is not really accessible for all the people, because what we build is for the people who come into the future. So we build products for the future.
Is your experience is from your college journey to till now?
So being a college graduate from India, and then I did my masters here in Germany. So thirst for learning never changes. So I always wanted to do new things. I always wanted to take up responsibility. So taking responsibilities uh, took me to several different places. So learning is the key, and consistency is the key. So that is the difference that I see from the past.
That nice. What is your major shift towards building the bitsCrunch?
bitsCrunch.
bitsCrunch, sorry, bitsCrunch. Yeah.
So I mean, I wanted to excel in blockchain technology. That is one of the leading technologies in the future, going into the future. And yeah, wanted to uh, give jobs to people rather than getting paid. So I want people to uh, let's say excel in their career by I want to transform lives. So to put it short, I want to transform a lot of lives across the globe.
Okay. So, what is the difference between building the product and building the company?
Building a product as an employer, I have did it for Siemens and Volkswagen. So building a product is like a smaller picture, whereas building a company is like a much bigger picture. So if you have to think about a product, it is just A to Z regarding that particular product. But in a company, as a founder, I am the auditor. I have been a financier. I have been legal and everything. So from A to Z, managing a company is, to be honest, very difficult and still early days. Let's see how it goes.
Most important things that the company, that you feel that every CEO should have.
I mean, trust me, I'm still uh, in the early days of entrepreneurship. So there are several hundred other CEOs who have been established. But to me, I would say manage your time and employees properly, because personal management or people management is also crucial here, because you have to take care of your family. When it comes to bitsCrunch, we feel it is a family and not an office. So you have to give that space to the people who can then excel in whatever they do.
And everybody have the dreams of being the millionaire and the billionaire and building the store. Great product. So, what suggestion are there? Anything that you want to say to them if they are building something?
I mean, never place the results in front of you. Winning or losing doesn't matter, but trust the process. I mean, this is what I've learned from my mentors, from the people I follow. So just keep going, be consistent, and stay true to what you do. That will take you to places. So it's trust the process. It is that simple.
And how do you see your time difference back to the 5 years, and what do you see the time difference up to the 5 years after, upcoming 5 years?
5 years back, I was part of Telefonica or Volkswagen. I was working 9 to 5. Now times have changed. I got busy, and probably after 5 years, I wish I take bitsCrunch to another level where we are a fully grown team of more than 100 or 200 people or 1,000 people. You never know what's the scale of this NFTs in the future. So yeah, exciting times ahead.